stop a call if your car's in your bitches. Knocking on doors just to get Jehovah's Witness. Popping all these pills when I take off to my mission. Stupid mumble rappers is the shit that I've been killing. I got a cold heart, but don't really got no feelings. Put me in a casket and that shit will be so thrilling. If it disagree, you're the one that will be missing. Make me go crazy like I came back from the Navy. A young little accident that doesn't trust no lady. Never focus on those stupid shit, so call me lazy. People call me the devil cause lately I've been blazing. Maybe life ain't really that good and amazing. So tell me, is there something out there that I'm craving besides fucking bitches and making pop out some babies? I don't have the time for pointing out fingers and naming. I haven't had a girlfriend because they just wanna play me. Take a little moment now, just think about the things I've been through inside of my life. Sometimes I wanna close my eyes. A vine-minded child that has nothing else to lose is sitting in the dark in the corner with a knife. The only one too that has no other way of thinking. What happened to his daddy, cause the love for him just died. I really had no choice but to cut him off my life. I embraced all this rage, but there's nothing I can do. God really knows I was blinded by the light. I knew this whole time these people had to trick minds, but not mine, so all defined on the shit that is right. So keep it tight just like a virgin, and my music is emerging. Watch out for these niggas cause the fake is always lurking. Living my life is like I'm at the fucking cursing. Sometimes I wonder why do I really have a purpose. I try not to give up, but sometimes I just feel so worthless. Be careful who you love because these bitches wanna fuck. Once you turn out famous, they just want it all for lust. I don't really rap because I wanna make them bucks. I'm still looking for answers and I hope I find enough. I know that it's rough, sometimes we just gotta be tough. There has to be a devil because I could be his son. Once I had a dream when I was clenching on a gun. Next thing I knew that I was standing by a cliff. Inside of my head I didn't know nothing but death. Of course I was scared, but I was living with regrets. Fuck the whole world and take me to another planet where everything is done and everything is vanished.